Welcome. Today we are continuing with KCSE paper 1 2015 answers. Question 3a. Reasons why the Israelites demanded for king is found in 1 Psalms chapter 8. Samuel, who was the judge, had become old. The two sons of Samuel, Joel and Abijah, who had replaced him, were corrupt. The Israelites wanted a king who would lead them to war. They wanted a king so as to be like other nations around them. It was a reflection of their rejection of God as their king. They wanted a physical king they could see. They wanted to be governed by law. They wanted a stable hereditary leadership. Question 3b. Lessons modern political leaders can learn from King David. Modern political leaders should have faith in God. They should promote worship of the true God in the nations. Modern political leaders should ask for forgiveness. They should seek advice from church leaders. They should not use their positions to oppress their subjects. Political leaders should promote unity among their subjects. They should set up proper administrative structures. Modern political leaders should establish good relations with their neighboring countries. They should secure their country from external threats. Question 3c. How Christians in Kenya demonstrate their faith in God? Through praying, through preaching, by singing or dancing for God, or composing songs, by building worshiping places, by giving tithe, by helping the needy, through forgiving others, by representing their church, by having special attires, by leading righteous lives, by observing religious festivals, by reading the Bible. Question 4a. Differences between the traditional African prophets and the Old Testament prophets. 1. The Old Testament prophets were called by God, while traditional African prophets inherited their roles. 2. Old Testament prophets delivered messages to their own people and those outside their locality, while traditional African prophets were concerned with their own communities. 3. The prophecies of the Old Testament were recorded, while those of the traditional African prophets were passed on orally. 4. Old Testament prophets spoke of the coming Messiah, while traditional African prophets did not have this concept. 5. Old Testament prophets were rejected in their communities, while traditional African prophets were liked by their communities. 6. Old Testament promoted monotheism, while traditional African prophets promoted polytheism. 4b. Social injustices condemned by Prophet Amos in Israel. There was oppression of the poor by the rich. They sold fellow Israelites into slavery. There was violence in the land. The rich lived in luxury. There was bribery in courts. There was sexual immorality in the land. There was use of faulty scales. They sold worthless wheat to others. There was misuse of garments secured as pledges. Murder of the innocent. Question 4C. Ways in which the church in Kenya is promoting justice in the society. The church teaches on the need for justice. The church condemns all forms of injustice in the society. They pray for justice to prevail in the land. Christians lead exemplary lives. The church initiates income-generating activities to create employment, encourage independence. The church assists the needy by guiding and counseling the victims of injustice, advocating for just laws. Question 5A. Ways in which God would punish the people of Judah according to the teaching of Prophet Jeremiah on judgment. Prophet Jeremiah proclaimed that the people of Judah would be invaded by an enemy from the north. The city of Jerusalem would be destroyed by a cruel nation. God would send serpents to bite them for sacrificing their sons. God would bring drought upon the land of Judah. The people of Judah would die of diseases. They would lose their inheritance. The sword would kill the people of Judah. The people of Judah would be taken to exile. Question 5B. Ways in which Jeremiah suffered while carrying out his prophetic work in Judah. There was a plot to kill Prophet Jeremiah by the people of Anathoth. He was anguished by the prosperity of the wicked. Jeremiah suffered loneliness. He was in constant conflict with the leaders. He was mocked. The people of Judah hated Jeremiah. He was arrested. He was beaten by Pasha, the priest. Question 5C. Moral values that a Christian can acquire from the life of Prophet Jeremiah. Obedience, loyalty, perseverance, patience, self-control, courage, honesty, respect, holiness, hope, humility, justice. Question 6A. Places used for worship in traditional African communities. Under sacred trees, in caves, at riverbanks, on rocks, on mountains, in forests, in shrines, in homes of religious readers, at graveyards. 6B. Reasons why sacrifices are made in traditional African communities to worship God. It is a way of seeking for protection. It is a way of acknowledging God as a source of life, to seek God's help in times of trouble, to ask for forgiveness, in recognition of God's power, to thank God for victories, to ask for blessings from God. 6C. How Christians in Kenya show respect for places of worship. They maintain cleanliness in places of worship. In some cases, they remove shoes. They put flowers in places of worship. They dress decently when going for worship. Order is maintained in places of worship. Constructing beautiful places for worship. Dedicating all property in places of worship. Showing respect to church leaders. Observance and maintenance silence. Securing places of worship. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also, let me know what video you can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.